As you've seen in previous lessons, the typical workflow for creating a sketch is to enter sketch mode, select a sketch plane, and then begin sketching. To create a new sketch, you would have to exit sketch mode, enter sketch mode again, then repeat the steps. While this process isn't too bad when you want to create just a few sketches, it can be inefficient when you need to create a larger number of sketches. For those cases, Rapid Sketch lets you create sketches without having to go through all of these steps, so it can be a great time saver when you have to create many sketches. You can find Rapid Sketch on the Sketch toolbar, or if you don't see it, you can add it from the Customize, Commands, and Sketch menu. I'll click the icon to enter Rapid Sketch mode, and then I'll click on the sketch circle and sketch a circle on any face. And if I move my cursor over another face, I can simply sketch a circle on that face and a new sketch will be created. You'll notice that I didn't have to choose any sketch planes or enter any exit or sketches here to create these sketches, so you can immediately see how Rapid Sketch can save you time. I can continue creating sketches on any available faces, but once I've started a new sketch, I won't be able to go back and edit any previous sketches until I exit sketch mode. Once I exit sketch mode, you'll notice that each of the sketches appear in the design tree just like any other sketch, and I can edit the sketches or use them for sketched features just like with any other sketch.